Hello, good morning mga kawalwal. Ari naman, dumating na yung supply ng fresh chicken. Ready to deliver again to all supermarket. Ready to deliver to Shopwise, Asco, Falcon, Philippine Store. All parts of chicken like legs, mince, thighs, breast, drumstick, all parts of breast chicken available here, pre-delivery and ready to deliver to all Falcon Supermarket and Asco, Philippine Store, Shopwise. Order na kayo kung sino may gusto ng fresh chicken. All parts of fresh chicken available here, free delivery. All gizzard, liver, breast, thighs, legs, drumstick, wings. Kaya ano pang ginahulat nyo mga kawalwal, just call me and contact me. Free delivery. Pero itong stock ngayon, ready na ito deliver sa all Falcon Supermarket, Asco, Philippine Store at Shopwise. Thank you mga kawalwal. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the button bell and like. Thank you.